Welcome to PYT. In this video, we are going to discuss on what is the new name for Azure Active Directory. Recently, Microsoft has made an announcement that they are going to change the name of Azure Active Directory. So, the new name for Azure Active Directory is going to be Microsoft Entra ID. And what all the changes will be there in Azure Active Directory? Only the name is changing. The name is changing from Azure Active Directory to Microsoft Entra ID. And there will not be required any action from you. You can just continue to use the services without any interruption. The name changing will start on 1st October 2023 and all the changes will be completed by the end of 2023. You can manage all the Microsoft Entra solutions from Microsoft Entra Admin Center. And for accessing the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, you need to browse entra.microsoft.com. So this is the homepage of Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and in our next videos, we are going to discuss more about the interface of Microsoft Entra Admin Center. There will not be any changes except the name. Only the name Azure AD is going away and all the capabilities will remain same. And once the name has been changed to Microsoft Entra ID, then we are going to call the Azure AD free as Microsoft Entra ID free. Azure AD Premium P1 will be called as the Microsoft Entra ID P1. Azure AD Premium P2 will be called as the Microsoft Entra ID P2, and Azure AD external identities will be called as the Microsoft Entra external ID. So this is the homepage of Microsoft Entra ID, which currently known as the Azure Active Directory. And in our next videos, we are going to discuss more about the homepage of the Microsoft Entra ID. And there will not be any changes in licenses and as well as the pricing. Everything will remain same. Thank you for watching this video, and for more updates, please do subscribe our channel PYT and like this video.